Hello! Today I will be showcasing my lightning dagger build. Here are my stats. I have a good amount of HPH on a lightning build. Here are my talents. Now for my mantras. 2 perfect and crystal lens, and a magnet spark on jolt grab. 1 magnet spark in lightning blade. 3 perfect and crystal lens. 1 blast spark to do a lot of damage. Wayward on thunder kick to combo extend. You can also insta-cast it by pressing left and right click at the same time. I have shard bow for my bell. You can move stack this with dagger crit. Hope this was helpful.